Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Jess Knows, and you know what day it is. It's Friday, getting ready for Shabbat. So I decided after many months of not cooking meat in the house to make a meat cholent, and I have to say it smells good, but it's weird having a meat smell through my house. And the reason I wasn't eating meat was because I'm expecting. I'm 25 weeks plus, and I couldn't stand the smell of meat or chicken. Chicken is still definitely out. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks it'll be good. I'm really happy because I was worried about Pesach. I think Jews worry about Passover, religious Jews, we worry about Passover like months in advance just because it takes so much effort, and I start thinking about it before Purim. So anyway, and I wanted to keep it simple this Shabbat. So I'm also making a Mexican fish recipe I found online. I'll put link pictures in the end to show you guys how my Shabbat food looks. So my pregnancy, I've been keeping it kind of close to me for a bit, and I wasn't sure if I really wanted to share it on social media or not, just because I feel like it's such a I feel like with this pregnancy, it's kind of changed my personality in a sense. It's made me very, like, I'm private and I want to keep it in. And then at the same time, I want to shout from the rooftops, hey, I'm pregnant. So it's been, but I decided, I'm going to be leaving my second trimester, and I really want to really embrace this time in my life, and I feel so honored and so humbled, and I don't know, it's maybe it's a weird thing to feel, but it's kind of made me more spiritual than I was. Yeah, so I think I'm like early nesting, because I've started to, I give you a tour of the apartment, but the truth is that I probably will be judged because it looks really messy. But in my mind, I'm doing a lot. This week, I've gotten through like 10 bags of laundry. I am notorious for not liking to do laundry. In Tel Aviv, they have like a guy who comes, what's the right word for it? Not self-service, but there's like a laundry service. And they come and they pick up your clothes and they bring it back to you, and it's folded and ironed, and it's wonderful. So I prefer to do it that way because I don't want to fold at all, and or wash. And we didn't have a washing machine, so it's a great excuse. Before, my husband, when he found out how much I was paying for it, he's like, look, I'll do it. I'm like, you're going to do the laundry, everything, you're going to fold, you're going to clean everything. I don't have to do nothing, don't have to touch it, don't have to organize it. He's like, yeah, I'll do it. And I'm like, okay, fine. Then we lucked out, and we got a free washing machine and dryer that works. So we're really, really happy about it. And this week I've just been washing clothes like a maniac. I feel like a 1950s wife. As I was saying before, the self-laundry guy, he used to love me because I bought like undergarments and clothes for like 2-3 months, linen and everything, so I really didn't have to wash clothes. And when he would come, I used to like pile my clothes in at the top of my closet. Here we don't have walk-in closets. You have to buy their wardrobes. Yeah, so they don't come with the apartment, so you have to buy it. So anyway, so I used to have like a big one, and I had all my clothes at the top, all my dirty clothes. So when I would open it, it would fall down on me. Yeah, really messy, but whatever. And he used to love it because like I think I spent like $200 to $500. And no, I'm not, maybe like $200 every few months. But it's great. Then I didn't have to worry about it. And if I really needed something, I would hand wash it. But so now I don't have to do that. So now I just need to fold. So this is kind of why I'm not doing the tour, because I have tons of clean clothes, just not all folded. Yeah, and so with that, I'm also like, we moved into the apartment back in September, and so I kind of set it up like a single person, and not really thinking, or not a single person, like a newly married couple, versus thinking about, so I know that the baby won't be making a mess so soon, but I want to prepare. And this apartment that we're in, we're very, very lucky. However, it's really weirdly shaped. The kitchen is in the middle of the apartment and everything else surrounds it. So I think I've done a great job. And again, at some point, once I feel like it's really ready, I'll do a little tour of my apartment. It's like 30 seconds. So anyway, so we're putting up stuff, and I decided that even though we have like a narrow hallway, I wanted to create a little entryway so we can put our bags and coats and hang stuff up there. Just looking around of like more storage space. So I'll share whatever I've come up with, and if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Yeah, so that's pretty much been my week. I felt like a really strong 1950s wife, and I just wanted to give like a quick update on what I've been up to. For the next coming videos, I want to discuss more about my pregnancy. One of the things that I noticed while I was hiding or keeping it more to myself was I didn't really find so many videos that touched on the issues that I had, or if I did find it, I didn't find so many, so I felt also kind of alone, and because it is a private time in a sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you guys. Also, I finished during this time my Shabbat prep, so I want to go ahead and show you guys the final results. And if you're interested in recipes, how I made, excuse me, part of pregnancy, if you guys want to go ahead and see or know how I made it, or you want some tips or recipes, they're not mine, but I would love to go ahead and share it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shabbat Shalom.